Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add symbols onto your account on MetaTrader 5. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaTrader 5 application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and enter your credentials and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the quotes page where you will be shown all of the symbols that are under your watch list. Now, if you don't find any symbol that you want to see, then you can tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now, you will be allowed to search for your symbol using the search box. You can type in the symbol that you wish to add, or you can also browse within the forex, metals, and indexes by clicking on them. After clicking on your desired symbol, it will be added onto your watch list right away. You can do this with as many number of symbols as you wish, and it will be added onto your quotes list right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add symbols onto your account on MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.